This is a day of sadness. This is a day of sadness. Not for the COMELEC, not even for the Supreme Court, but for Philippine democracy and the rule of law. The COMELEC is not an ordinary agency of government. It is a constitutional commission that has the technical expertise on election matters. As a humble member of the commission, I am sure that the NBank will do everything within its power under the dynamic leadership of our chairman and the equally invaluable services of our steering committee chairman, Commissioner Robert Lim, to meet this unexpected emergency on the BBPAT issue.